So yo hello guys, today we are going to converting Darkder sketch into or portrait into a digital drawing. So I am moving the extra object so that it will produce a high quality product. So let's start it work. So first of all we have to find a color skin tone of Darkder. So it's take a lot of time. So I will meet you after it. Now I choose this Darkder a skin tone. So let's fill in the Darkder skin and I will meet you again. This is decided for Darkder because it looks cool and our Darkder is also very cool. So meet you guys in at the final result.